close-up of these little animals. There he is. God.
Yards to the right of them. Slightly
These are
towards
eland,
us.
the largest one. Look.
Oh, there he is. I see.
This is the Cape of Good Hope. On a low tide. The waves breaking way offshore. And they come in. They have time to break again. It's unusual. I don't remember ever seeing a place where the waves broke twice on their way into the shore. A team, probably a rugby team from some foreign country. Everybody having a great time. It's Boulders Beach. And there's a penguin colony here of jackass penguins, or African penguins. There are about 4,000 here. Into the walkway are penguin eggs. Penguins just lay them and then sit on them. And this penguin has got 2 babies with it, and has been feeding them. This beach is just below a very nice housing area. Lighthouse out there. Penguins like to get under the bushes. Here's this guy, he's just looking at me. Beautiful birds. Couple. He's up there preening himself. Behind is pretty young. They said maybe 8 weeks. This one here seems to be building a little nest. There's one, and there's another behind him in the crack in the wall. Here are a couple wandering around. Here we are down at the beach where many of them are located. So folks enjoying the penguins.
They grow and well, it's pure fish.
It was a while that you can actually go down here. And the guy just had a rope.
We're at a wild bird sanctuary. It's supposed to be the largest one in Africa and possibly the largest in the world. And here we have a flock of scarlet ibis. Just gorgeous birds.
The one with the speckles in there.
Mm-hmm.
And then this
The
guy,
fellow has just been around and put out some food for them.
I may have,
Really pretty birds.
I just finished the last one.
Okay?
Only got 24 this time.
Pretty little bird. Really pretty. Peacock, a huge peacock. And lots of African green parrots. Turkeys. Big white turkey. Putting on quite a display for us.
Laughing thrush. Yeah, no, he's not a thrush.
Yellow-billed hornbill. We saw a lot of in Botswana. Have some wood ducks. Beautiful birds. Neat. That's a pigeon. Behind him, some kind of a parakeet, or parrot, small parrot. This is a yellow-headed Jandaea conure from Brazil. Now,
This is the entrance door. This is it. We're at the end.
primates here.
I guess I'm in here. Oh,
And that's the mother and the baby. Ha! Eagle. We saw a lot of them in Botswana. Gorgeous big birds. This is another type of eagle, a black V-eagle, I think. I'll double check. An African gray parrot. Now the lower one is the black Veracruz eagle with the fish eagle above.
I gotta get the camera through here so I don't get the wires.
Big eagle. Fine eagle. But I think the fish eagle is the most majestic of them all. Majestic bird.
Oh, look at him with his wings up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Dick says this is a secretary bird.
Maybe I should take one back. I mean, need one. That's the secretary.
These are hawks.
I'm not sure if they're swinging.
This is the caracara from South America. We saw them in the Andes in Peru. This is the African white pelican. Much bigger bird than our pelican. Very pretty birds. Smaller pelican.
The world has exchange programs with all kinds of ridiculous beaks.
Yeah.
And the feet. The boobook owl. Australia and New Zealand.
Horned owls. Snowy owl.
Notice the fur on the feet.
Gorgeous.
It's got an eye with an infection.
Yes, he does. The Korean eagle owl. This is the Turkmenian eagle owl. Another one.
There's a good shot. Look at those talons. That is a powerful, powerful claw, that.
Yes, it's a Bengal eagle owl. This is the African barn owl.
Unfortunately, I'm running out of
This is the eagle owl.
I have to be judicious at this point.
Owl.
Nick. Hey guys. Nick. Nipping on my pants.
Well, that's what I mean by tame.
That's very tame.
Yeah.
When they start nipping on your
You
pants,
can take the shoelaces off.
yeah. That was funny.
Secretary birds.
Yeah, I've seen one actually catch a snake. It's quite fantastic. No fear at all.
I want. From now on, will you please carry your pen? Okay.
Sorry.
Ibises.
You saw one of those earlier too. In another display.
Ibis.
Nick, you got the camera?
Here is an ibis attacking Dick.
All right, so is it?
The African penguin.
Speaking of Cheetah, you're certainly suspect. South America.
This is the tortoise sanctuary. Lots of big tortoises. These are blue cranes. There's the crane.
Strange bird. It's an interesting sort of thing you got on top of your head.
This is a rhea from South America.
Yes. A cartoon called Beep Beep the Road.
Oh
yeah.
yeah.
Oh,
The prairie
I'm doing, yeah, or whatever. Yeah.
Prairie jackal. Some kind of a dislike
Listen,
that.
you guys, I'm on patrol here.
And hornbill.
I'm just guessing.
I think you're right, though. The great rhinoceros hornbill.
Indonesia and Malaysia. Oh my.
There we go. Thank you very much, sir.
Look at this. Look at this.
My goodness. You are a beautiful bird. An extraordinary bird. We just want to get a nice profile of you. Ah, marvelously posed. Marvelously posed.
Amazing bird.
Did you just...
Yeah, they're cute.
This is a wrinkled hornbill.
Yeah, because there's two of them. That's two. Well,
There's
not
another
two of
one.
them anymore. Oh, yes, they are. Oh, now, thank you guys. Now, pose up there for a minute, will you?
And you got it
Yeah.
straight away. No. No, I can't.
Oh, is that?
Purple crested lory.
You won't stop for a second.
A lot of doves and cockatoos and parakeets.
Look at the little guys right over your head, man.
Yeah.
The two over your head.
The golden pheasant.
The younger one, I think, isn't it? It's not as big.
Probably.
Wonderful bird.
Purple crested lory back in there. A lot of red on their wings, which you only see when they're flying. Pretty bird. So nice. Very nice. These are funny little guys. These are probably plovers of some kind. That's a pretty bird.
Now there's one of the bizarrest birds, I think.
Blue-crowned pigeon. Boy,
That's
one
a
big
blue-crowned pigeon.
pigeon. Very big pigeon.
Majestic pigeon.
Too far away. Yeah, there's quite a pigeon.
These are a type of plover. Crested plover.
He's a beauty. He was born here. He will be 3 next month. You see, everything is just designed to long legs, that's the main, that's behind there. Doesn't have starts it, he throws it through his balance, spray rolls, and he comes into the other side of his leg. So there's not much of a struggle left in the last time that he chases him into that box. He dies pretty quickly and doesn't have a struggle. Between 70, 75 miles an hour. So they rely mainly on their speed and their sun. Once they're focused on a prey,
There is the beautiful cheetah we were petting. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous animal. Gorgeous. We're at the Spear Winery in the wine country. They have this captive cheetah breeding program here. One of their cheetahs has gone to the Cincinnati Zoo.
Okay, I just took two.
2 cars in the world that can.
Yeah.
Get close to them.
And they have 5 restaurants here. They have their own train station and train that brings people up from Cape Town. And it's a huge winery.